Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the Tesla Model Y and obey local laws. Confirm Autopilot features are enabled in Control's Autopilot on the touchscreen, and make sure the vehicle firmware is up to date. Auto steer becomes available above 18 mph and only when lane markings are clear and the onboard camera detects a drivable lane. Set your mirrors, seat, and steering wheel so your hands rest naturally. You must remain attentive with hands on the wheel at all times while Autopilot operates. To engage Autopilot while driving, first reach an eligible speed above 18 mph on a suitable road. Pull the drive stalk toward you twice to activate auto steer. You will see the blue steering wheel icon on the display when engaged. Set the cruise speed by nudging the stalk up or down. Each nudge adjusts speed in 1 mph increments, and a longer press changes by 5 mph. Use the touchscreen to select following distance from 1 to 7 to control the gap to vehicles ahead. While Autopilot is active, monitor the road and the car's camera feed if needed. The system monitors steering torque and will prompt you with visual and audible alerts if hands are not detected. You can immediately disengage Autopilot by braking, steering firmly in one direction, or pressing the drive stalk forward. Follow-up alerts escalate if you do not respond. Remember, this is an assistance system only. Remain ready to take over immediately, especially in complex traffic, construction zones, or poor weather conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.